Okay, you can see that the radio is playing and we got sound in the speakers of the car. And now when I make the call, it will answer the call and will stop the radio sound. It's automatically answers it for some reason. I have auto answer off. And this button that transfers the the voice from car radio to the back to the, it does not work. It doesn't transfer the audio to the car. And as you can see, we have it. It has cut the sound, and when I hang up, the sound comes back. Bluetooth is connected. I can't think of anything else to tell you. Please help.